I'm going to move on to Litecoin next. And with Litecoin, we've had, again, same kind of thing. We've had some invalidations happen. We actually broke our support at 104.05, which opens the door to slightly lower lows. Once we shift to the big picture, it'll make a bit more sense here. So let me do that real quick. All right, so again, daily logarithmic chart. Now, the significance of 104-ish, that support region, just like with Bitcoin, Ethereum, some of the other altcoins, is that marks the low that we hit in the summer. And therefore, any bullish action that we saw is now invalidated. This can no longer be considered an impulse or leading diagonal, nothing like that. So this is definitely a B wave. We may or may not be done with our C wave down. And that is basically the patterns that we have left at the moment. I actually have a couple of different patterns here because of, well, I was going to say that the C wave shouldn't be there anymore. The screen will come off. So our red pattern calls for us directly dropping to what would be the one-to-one extension of this AB, the 1.0 extension. That would fall right around $76. Then we have a sharp reversal after that. That's the red pattern. That is actually my primary at the moment. I don't think we're going to go as low as the purple pattern shows. However, the market does what the market wants. So the purple sees this whole drop here down to December 3rd as a first wave. This has a very shallow, non-standard second wave, and we have much, much lower to go if we're falling purple. Again, that becomes primary if we break down below 74. Although there is argument to be made that we could go as low as 55 or 45 before we've totally invalidated the red pattern. There is, of course, that very strong resistance zone down below. I'm going to actually embolden it, if that's the right word, right at 25.28. Just like with EOS, if we got that low, we'd start getting uncomfortably close to the origin point of this entire structure. That was in March of 2020. That was the everything crash. Do not want to get anywhere near that because that would be a huge problem, technically speaking. So that is where we are with Litecoin.